Welcome to this quick tutorial on Shadow Colour 2.3. In this shadow study, I want to assess the impact of my proposed building on its surroundings by visualizing the additional shadows it casts. First, let's set up Revit. I have already grouped my city context elements, and I have my proposal massing ready. I'll make sure my view is cropped and shadows are enabled. Let's select the surrounding context as the top layer in Shadow Colour by clicking Add Element. Next, I'll select my proposed building as the second layer. I'll keep the context layer's shadow in grey. For my proposed building, I'll choose orange to highlight the additional shadows. I also want to outline the overall shadow coverage, so I'll set that to red. Now let's click Preview to see the results. The orange areas represent the additional shadows cast by my proposed building. The final step is to export a set of timeframes. I'll go to File, Export, Multi-Day. Now let's add a day, select the date, set the time range and intervals. I'll add a few more days to generate a full dataset. Next, I'll select the image quality and enable animation for the set. With everything ready, I'll click Export and select a folder. All my timeframes are now organized, and the animation is generated for quick visualization. That's it, a simple and efficient way to visualize shadow impacts using Shadow Colour. Thanks for watching.